Do you want to take your LinkedIn profile to the next level? To use LinkedIn to its full potential and build valuable professional relationships thanks to your LinkedIn profile? Your LinkedIn profile is one of the most important resources you have to reinforce your personal brand and your candidate appeal. And a lot of professionals or business owners treat their LinkedIn profiles like an online resume, and sometimes they don't even have a LinkedIn profile. I'm Marat from EMMOTION. I already made a few videos on how to start using LinkedIn, and in this video I will discuss the importance of optimizing your LinkedIn profile and a few tips to take it to the next level. Please hit the subscribe below and the notification bell so you won't miss out on my latest content. Also, thumb up the video if you feel it's been useful. Stick with me till the end of this video and I will show you how to export your LinkedIn contacts into a spreadsheet. Now, first tip is optimizing your tagline with the right keywords, descriptors that you want to be known for. Use the keywords that represent your experience and which you want to be known for in any LinkedIn searches. Your tagline is the first thing the potential hiring managers see when they get search results or when they land on your profile. And it needs to be strong and clear. Here are some of the examples: graphic designer, expert in art and project management, corporate learning manager, skilled in instructional design, learning and development management, business development director, food and beverage operations. Or my current tagline, which is HR professional, expert in recruitment and career management. Number 2, claim a personalized LinkedIn profile URL. When you create your LinkedIn profile, it has some combination of letters, numbers, which add no value to your personal brand. If you still haven't changed that, this is the right time to customize your public profile URL. For example, my customized URL is Marat EMMOTION. This direct link URL will immediately show a difference between a LinkedIn newbie, beginner, or an advanced user. It shows that you are using LinkedIn as a networking tool. And it only takes a minute to update your LinkedIn URL, which is why it's worth the effort. Now, this is how it's done. Click on the Me icon on the top of your LinkedIn homepage. Click on Edit Public Profile and URL section. You will find the URL section on the top right corner. Keep it simple. It could be your name, your last name, your business name, and stay away from numbers, nicknames, or any other characters that may come across as unprofessional. Your custom URL can then be easily used on your business cards, resume, cover letter, or other social media networks. Number 3, don't treat your LinkedIn profile as a resume. LinkedIn profile and your resume should correspond to each other in terms of experience and dates aligning, but the purpose of each one is really different. Your LinkedIn profile can include so much more information, like visual elements which should contribute to your personal brand. Your portfolio, for example. Visual content on LinkedIn is constantly growing in importance. So help your LinkedIn profile stand out by adding documents, photos, videos, presentations. They can be added to the summary and/or to each position in the experience section of your profile. These elements add interest, and just as I previously mentioned, they reinforce your personal brand. Now, when it comes to your resume, it is a brief summary of your skills, experience, and accomplishments. And you usually know who is going to view it, because you have previously sent your resume to these people. However, on LinkedIn, your profile is a highly public piece. It is serving as your digital ambassador, and it is a link to drive and lead people to you. Number 4. Add other new sections to your profile. LinkedIn lets you add several sections to give your profile visual appeal and more depth. You can add sections for your posts, volunteering, languages, honors and awards, causes you care about, and many more. All of these sections open you up to more opportunities and to making new connections. Always personalize your invitations to connect. "I'd like to add you to my professional network on LinkedIn" is the default message, and it is so boring and impersonal. When you invite someone to connect, make it more personal. Mention where you met, or how did you come across to the professional you are about to connect to. Let them know why you would like to connect and to stay in touch with them. This personal touch will increase the odds that they will accept your request. And just as agreed, here comes the bonus tip. Export your LinkedIn connections. You know you can download all your LinkedIn connections and export them to an Excel spreadsheet. This is the way of not losing any contacts of the network you've grown. To do this, click the Me icon at the top of your LinkedIn homepage. Select Settings and Privacy from the drop-down. Click the Privacy tab at the top of the page. Under How LinkedIn Uses Your Data section, click Change next to Download Your Data. You might need to sign in again. You'll be directed to Download Your Data, where you select Connections. It usually says, "We'll send you an email when your download is ready." You should receive an email with a link where you can download your LinkedIn connections. This file can be used in Microsoft Excel or in Google Spreadsheets. Now you have a file containing your contacts' first and last names, emails, job titles, and companies. In conclusion, LinkedIn has a huge user base, and all of the users are focused on improving their professional lives. So the profiles are constantly changing and getting updated. That's what makes LinkedIn a great platform for networking. Thanks for staying with me till the end. If you found this video useful, please thumb it up and share it with whoever you think it might be beneficial to. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you in my next video coming up.